Alrighty. Damn. That's a dip. That didn't sound right. Woo. Welcome back to the channel. It's boy Ash, AOB. We're just taking a drive around Hamilton real quick. We actually just came out of Wendy's, so we're gonna head home and eat our Wendy's. So we might as well have some fun on our way back. If you wanted to see the fun we were having on our way here, yeah, check out my Instagram, AshAOB. And when you do, make sure you follow it. Don't just go and look. But yeah, man. So enjoy the ride along. Let's go. Traffic's other color, but you know what it is. We're not in Sport Plus. We ain't doing that right now. Woo. This thing just sounds so mean.
Dang it.
Miss Bunny. Miss Bunny is in front of me. Oh, hello. So we got two biker girls in front here. Unfortunately, I can't show y'all. Oh, three bikers. Let's say less. Oh, bikers are everywhere, bro. What is happening tonight? Oh, shit. Oh, we got bikes all about the place. This should be fun. Nah, leave it in sport. I'm not trying to run down bikes like that. I love biker girls, bro. Shit's so nice. Oh, my camera's falling. What the heck? There we go. When I get a dash cam, you guys can actually see, because like I'm not gonna hold the phone and drive and shift. And I don't have the glasses. Justice has the glasses, bro. That would have been sick right now, but it is what it is. Vibes regardless. I know you can hear the bikes, y'all just can't see the bikes. But yeah, it looks like there's a 400 and a 600. Both look like Cowies. I do miss bikes sometimes. Bikies. I'm sure they'll catch up. They're back there. Camera keeps doing this. There. Need a better camera. Mount. trying to play catch up. You need faster bikes for that one right there. Well, maybe the 600, but definitely in the 400. 400 can't keep this. Love these noises, man. Now we wait. Go home and eat. So much more things I want to do to this car. Soon. Next season's gonna be something special. Can't wait to drive this in the winter time though. Winter is gonna be pretty fun. Just doesn't disappoint, man. Oh my gosh. This reminds me, I still need to do the PCV valve. Holy moly. Probably do that when I do the oil change and stuff. I gotta take the whole top, the top mount intercooler off and all that crap. So look out for that video. That's coming. Had to do it in the tunnel, you already know. Alright. It's enough horsing around. Love this thing, man. Never disappoint. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. If you guys want more ride-along videos. Hopefully soon we'll have the dash cam installed and all that stuff, so our ride-along videos look way better than you just staring at me and listening to these awesome sounds. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
I just know it feel like home. Put some bread, kids snow.